What's up, everybody? This is j.dioramas. Ooh, what a rush. Check it out, y'all. I'm out here in nature. Look at this. He or she was on my pants. Then I put my finger out, crawled on my finger. At first, it ran away twice, the ladybug or male bug, whatever. He's just being friendly right now. At first, he was scared. First 2 times, he didn't come on my hand. Uh-oh. He dropped. See if I can get him again. He came to me. He was on my body. Is he coming back? Let's see. Is he or she coming back? Uh-oh. Oh, came back. That's what you call a true friend right there. This is how you meet people. Just let them come to you naturally. You going up my arm now? You're going too far. Turn around. Turn around. Go the other way. Back the other way. You can't grow up my whole way. I can feel you. Feel the little legs crawling on me. Literally. Alright, time for you to go. You're going too far. You're going to go up my sleeve. Got to get them off now. Love nature. Nature is God. Uh-oh. Had to drop you. Sorry. Hope I didn't hurt you. I didn't hurt you, did I? Did I hurt you? Hope I didn't hurt you. Okay, good. I didn't hurt you. No, I didn't hurt you, okay? I'm trying to hurt you. But I gotta let you go now. Back to nature. Gotta let you go back to nature. Yep. Time for you to go. You're moving too fast. Like a centipede. He's gotta go. Goodbye. Peace, one love. Uh-oh. I don't want to hurt you. Like, good. You okay? Okay, let's make sure you're okay. Alright, that's it. This is j.dioramas. I'm out.